All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you one niche digital service that you can start today if you would like to, okay? I did some research. This is a digital service that you could start making 10K a month, okay, easily, okay? I'm gonna show you in this video how you can do that. Let's get straight into it, okay? So the digital service that you could offer is to resell home seller leads, okay? Motivated home seller leads in the US. Just if you are new to this channel, if it's your first time watching our videos, okay, what we show people how to do here is to start a project farming business. It's where you find a service provider of a digital service in the country that has a low cost of living, and you resell that service to top tier countries like the US, Canada, the countries that have a solid economy. And you do that with a solid profit margin, okay? This is project farming in a nutshell. We specialize on that. So let me show you in this video real quick a great service that I found, again, that you can use right now to make some money, okay? I researched how to find home seller leads in the US, okay? And then I found this website here on the first page called motivatedleads.com, okay? Let me show you the crazy thing, guys, okay? So what in this business model, what is always of importance is that when you research, you find companies that are selling that service at a high price, and that you find a quality service provider that sells that same service at a much lower price. So you can do that arbitrage as well. You just have to be good in marketing, okay? Have a professional presence, okay? A professional website, for example, and how to do the proper marketing, okay? So motivated leads, okay? I went down to the FAQs. And now let me show you the crazy thing. So basically, they resell leads of people that would like to sell their home, okay? Motivated sellers. That's why they are called motivated leads. And those are people, for example, that are in foreclosure or stuff like that, okay? That really desperately need money and want to sell their homes, okay? In the FAQs, for example, you see, if you go to how much does your service cost, you see that they have two different services, but the pay-per-lead service, they say that the price can vary from $300 plus per lead, okay? And now let me show you how you can get those leads for a way lower price, okay? Obviously, quick disclaimer, what you got to do now, when I show you the service provider that provides those leads as well, you got to make sure that you get the same qualification type of leads, okay? They got to be as qualified as the leads that they sell here on Motivated Leads. So what I recommend you do is that you go to motivatedleads.com, that you ask how they qualify the leads, how qualified the leads are, and then you go back to the service provider and you ask him if he can provide the same level of qualification, so you know you have the same value, okay, for a much lower price. So let's go ahead, okay, to fiverr.com. It's just insane, guys, okay, what is possible, okay? You type in lead generation, real estate. Okay, Fiverr is one of the websites you can use to find service providers. You just message them there and you can make deals with them, okay? Everything is not written in stone, and you don't have to exactly buy their services like they listed it, okay? If you tell them that you might bring them a lot of business, then you can have an even better deal, okay? So this guy here, for example, obviously you always want to use service providers that have a good amount of reviews and they have a good rating, okay? 4.9 is almost perfect. Okay, let's go on his profile. What you always can check out as well is read through the bad reviews as well, so you know what happened wrong, because oftentimes, man, you can't really make everyone happy, okay? And oftentimes they are still very, very good service providers. It's just that, yeah, it was one out of many clients that just maybe had a bad day, or it's just not really. Some clients, you can't make them happy, okay? Sometimes it's not the fault of the service providers, okay? So for example, if you go here, he says it's a used list, and then he says, yeah, that basically the client tried to call them on Thanksgiving holiday, and yeah, that's why he didn't get the results that he wanted and gave him a bad review. Okay, 4 3-star reviews in the 4-star, 4 3-star reviews, and some 4-star reviews, and oftentimes the 4-star reviews are also very good. Okay, so he looks solid, and look at their price, guys. Okay, this is the insane thing. Okay, so here you can get at least 50 leads. Okay, he says 50 to 200 for $18. Okay, but that's where I said, where I talked about the disclaimer before. What you now have to do is you have to make sure that you get the same type of qualification here than they are doing here, which if you are able to do that, even if it costs you a little bit more, okay, you just message this guy, ask him, once you know how they qualify their leads, you just ask him, okay, could you qualify those leads like this? Okay, and then you tell him how he has to qualify them. If not, maybe you can do that yourself. Okay, but just to give you an idea, guys, okay, a lead here, it's $18 divided by 50. That's the minimum. So a lead here costs you 36 cents, okay, on the dollar. Okay, so if you are able to get hyper qualified leads for, let's say, even if you're at $5, okay, for a hyper qualified lead, guys, and you are able to resell them for $300+, that's an insane return on investment. And that's the power of project farming, okay? And that's why we want to push that business model out there more, because it's just insane what you can do and how easy it is to start, okay? You don't even, there's no real investment needed, okay? You just go out there, and now comes the next part where I talk about how to market that service, how to get clients. So there are many different methods, okay? Obviously, we have a coaching program. We can help you out with that. First link in the description. But if not, you can start on your own, okay? Make sure you look professional on your social media profile while you want to do some outreach, okay? You can, I mean, for this service, what do you have to find? You have to find real estate agents that need qualified and motivated home sellers, okay? How do you find them? Okay, real estate agents, they are on Facebook, they are on X, they are on Instagram, okay, they are on LinkedIn. Create a professional account on those social media platforms where in your bio you look like a professional that is experienced in that business, okay? You are someone who worked with loads of real estate agents, okay? And you know the business, and you got the best leads on the market, okay? That's how you got to present yourself on those social media platforms. And then you go ahead and you do some outreach, okay? You reach out to 50 to 100 real estate agents per day. Go really hard, okay? And then you will get clients. You will get clients that will want to try this out. What you can even do is, once you are sure that you get quality leads, you can even give them free leads to test them out. You can give them a free trial. Okay, it will cost you $18 to get 50 leads. That's nothing. You have an $18 investment to get the foot into the door of one client that might make you thousands. Okay, I hope you get the point. Okay, so this is one method to market. What we love to do also is cold email marketing, and what you do there basically is that would be good if you have a website. This should take you 1 to 2 days. Set up that website, have a professional email address with a Google Workspace account, for example, and then you use tools like Apollo.io, for example, where you can buy leads. Let me show you Apollo.io. Okay, you can use their website to buy real estate agents leads, okay? So you can get email addresses or phone numbers of real estate agents or real estate agencies. Another tool called ListKit, for example, that you can use as well. It's a little bit more expensive, but they have high quality leads. And then you export those leads that you get from those websites, and then you use cold emailing tools like Instantly, for example, where you import all those leads. Okay, we have a special method where you have much higher conversions, where we use Loom videos because we want the emails to be super personalized. One thing that is very important, if you are sending out cold emails, okay, the more personalized you can get them, the better your response rate will be, okay? But still, you can export, connect your email account, and then you can blast out emails, 50 emails per day to real estate agents to make them an offer. And it's all about volume, guys, okay? And then you will get replies, okay? When your email is good, your subject line is great, okay? Because what you want to do is create interest so that people click on that email, they open the email, and then they contact you because they are interested in getting qualified leads. It's just super easy. Let's just do do some quick math. Okay, let's say you wanna, like the video says, make $9,800. Okay, let's divide that by, let's say you are able to sell a lead. Let's really lowball it. Okay, they sell those leads for $300 plus. You could sell a lead for $50. Okay, you would have to sell them 196 qualified leads. Okay, so again, I don't know what the cost for a qualified lead will be, but based on what this guy on Fiverr is selling, this would cost you, you get 50 leads for $18. Okay, this would cost you almost 80 bucks, okay, to make $9,800. Okay, insane. Obviously, this is just a quick calculation. You got to figure out the details, but you could get started right now and make some money, guys, if you just follow through what I just told you in this video. So I see you in the next one. I hope this was valuable, and see you then. Bye-bye.